Boom shakalaka, shocking chart for Bitcoin. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, market dumps another 2%, but some shocking charts for Bitcoin. Before we get into it guys, like the video, join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, and subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos for over 7 years. It's a lot of videos. Today, fear and greed at 71, kind of sideways for the past week in greed. The overall market down 2% today. Bitcoin is 66,480, Ethereum at 2584, and BNB at 583. Now, Bitcoin, as we were discussing yesterday, most likely coming to this convergence of support in the territory of, say like $65,000-ish. But should it break through there, there's also this convergence of support right around, where is that? 63,000-ish. So those are two areas to keep an eye on for Bitcoin currently. But you have to remember, 'tis the season, and I'm not just talking about Christmas or whatever other holidays you may celebrate. We're talking about the election and how Bitcoin historically has responded to the US presidential election. Most gains for Bitcoin come after the presidential election, as you can see from these 3 epochs here, and the average in green. Should Bitcoin even rhyme with history? Well, price would likely go up. Now pair that with the lowest Bitcoin on exchanges in over 6.5 years. What does that mean? Well, when things start moving up, they're going to move up very, very quickly, because once people go to buy Bitcoin, they'll find there's none left. The whales already bought it. How about that? We are in Q4 right now. Historically, on average, during presidential election year, in Q4, Bitcoin does on average roughly 110%, which would put price over $120,000 per Bitcoin by the end of this quarter if it follows history. Recently, Bitcoin had a new hash rate all-time high, and as price follows hash rate, we would expect that a new price all-time high would be soon to follow. This is the 3rd year of the 4-year cycle. Generally, when we break previous all-time highs and setting things up for a continuation for massive gains for Bitcoin. This chart here, the MVRV Momentum 180-day, has just flipped green. And take a look at what Bitcoin did the last few times this happened. 640 gains, 70% gains, 70% gains, 160% gains. That's like roughly 200% some gains per time that it flips green. It just flipped green again. You think the price is going up? Yeah, worth betting on. We also have a MACD cross right here, a weekly MACD cross. Very, very similar to what we saw in 2021 with MACD cross, with price consolidation after a vertical rally, continuation rally. Could we be seeing the same exact thing once again? Yeah, probably, but it may take some time. Here's an interesting chart, the diminishing golden curves chart. It's like one of these parabolic things, but each time loses a level on there, which doesn't really make it a good chart for next cycle, because next cycle would only be like $260,000 Bitcoin. This cycle predicts right now $186,000 Bitcoin. We'll see if that's true. But I like this chart better. The geometric mean and standard deviation of 2012, 2016, and 2020 cycles. The geometric mean, the average, tops out $350,000. But that's if we don't have a whole bunch of degens aping into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And what are the chances that's going to happen? Because if we go up a standard deviation, that's nearly $1 million for Bitcoin. 2 standard deviations, oh, well over like $2 million for Bitcoin. Could it happen? Yes. Will it happen? I don't know. A boy can dream. However, here's the honest truth for where Bitcoin price is going. Bitcoin has no top because fiat has no bottom. As they are printing money faster, in the past 5 years, they printed the same amount of money it took them 221 years to print. Well, as that happens, Bitcoin price will continue to go up because it is the only hard money out there. You can't print any more Bitcoin. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe, join us on Twitter, and of course, YouTube says watch that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.